Hi all, welcome to Nutrition Club by Anamika and I hope you are doing good. So आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि what are the options that we have for snacking after dinner. So what happens when someone tries to shift their dinner timings from 10:30 to 8:30 or from 10 to 8, some of my clients say that what if we feel hungry after having dinner at 8 or 8:30 because we remain awake till say 10:30 or 11. So what are the options that we have that we can snack on after dinner? All right. So first thing, if you are having your dinner at 8:30 or 8 o'clock and if you are sleeping by say 10 or 10:30, then there are very less chances कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगेगी. You won't feel very hungry after dinner in such cases. So again, why I am telling you to sleep by 10 or 10:30 or maximum by 11. The reason because there was a study and it was found that dieters who had cut down their sleep for 14 days, ऐसे डाइटर्स जिन्होंने अपनी नींद 14 डेज़ के लिए कम कर ली थी, their fat burning reduced by 55%. उनकी फैट बर्निंग 55% कम हो गई थी. दैट मीन्स अगर आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं हो रही है, इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर स्लीप, देन your weight loss chances decrease because your fat burning decreases. Okay, so if you sleep by say 10:30 or maximum by 11, then you can have say somewhere around 7 to 8 hours of sleep and then you can wake up by say around 7 or 8 o'clock. अगर आपको 6 बजे उठना पड़ता है तो आपको उस अकॉर्डिंग 10 बजे सोना पड़ेगा. Alright, so make sure that you are having 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I will cover this portion of sleep in another separate video of mine as well. But I want to mention one more point here that some people say that we are not morning person, so we are not morning people. The thing is, अगर आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं हो रही है और अगर आपको आप रात को प्रॉपर स्लीप नहीं ले रहे हैं, प्रॉपर 7 to 8 hours की स्लीप नहीं ले रहे हैं, then your brain finds it difficult to say no to junk food. then आपके ब्रेन को डिफ़िकल्टी होती है जंक फूड के लिए मना करने के लिए, एंड यू टेंड टू चूज़ हाई कार्ब स्नैक्स. ऑलराइट, एंड यू टेंड टू चूज़ स्नैक्स लाइक कुकीज़, पिज़्ज़ा, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. ओके, lack of sleep also encourages late night snacking. Okay, so I would suggest ki try, if it is possible, sleep by 10:30 or maximum by 11. Try to sleep by between 10 to 10:30. Okay, so coming back to our point, what if you feel hungry after dinner? First thing, if you are feeling hungry after dinner, drink a glass of water and wait for 20 minutes and see if you are still feeling hungry. The reason why I am saying so is because our brain sometimes gets confused whether you are hungry or whether you are thirsty. Okay, so sometimes what happens, we feel we are hungry, but we are not actually hungry, we are thirsty. Okay, so that time what we need is just a glass of water. Okay, so anytime if you are feeling hungry immediately after having meal, say within half an hour or 1 hour, then have a glass of water first and chances are there that you will be good with that. Okay, now if you are still feeling hungry after having a glass of water, okay, say you had your dinner and then you felt as if you are hungry, you had a glass of water and still after 20 minutes of having that water you are feeling that you are hungry, then in those cases there are some snack options that you can have. So the first option that I can say is almonds. Why I am saying almonds? Because almonds are a good source of protein and fiber, and when you chew on almonds for some good amount of time, then that automatically makes you feel full. Okay, so 5 to 6 almonds is good to have after dinner. Okay, also almonds have magnesium, so and magnesium has a property of making you relaxed. Okay, so almond is a good choice. Another good choice are cashews. Okay, 2 to 3 cashews before sleeping is fine. Okay, because they also help you in having a good sleep. Remember, the options that I would be suggesting here for snacking after dinner will be those which will help you in proper sleep. Okay, so third option I will suggest is turmeric milk or haldi ka doodh. Okay, so turmeric milk, it has properties of treating anxiety also, it has properties of treating depression also, and it is good to have after dinner. Turmeric milk ले सकते हैं आप, हल्दी की चाय भी ले सकते हैं. If you are having turmeric tea, then make sure you add some black pepper to it, because if you add black pepper to it, the properties of that solution turmeric tea, it gets enhanced. Okay, and जो उसका जो गुण होता है वो और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Okay, so next option that I would suggest is ginseng tea. When I say ginseng tea helps in recovery of your body. It promotes such hormones which help your body to recover, and thus it is a great stress booster. Okay, and similarly ashwagandha tea is a great option. अश्वगंधा आपने नाम पहले भी सुना होगा, ये आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन्स में यूज़ होता है. ओके, सो आप अश्वगंधा की चाय ले सकते हैं. सो अश्वगंधा में जो एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट होता है वो होता है इसका रूट्स. ओके, रूट्स आर द एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट ऑफ अश्वगंधा. ओके, सो अगेन अश्वगंधा टी इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन. ओके, इसके अलावा आप कोकोनट वाटर ले सकते हैं. Coconut water is rich in vitamin B. It is also rich in minerals. Okay, so it's a good electrolyte. Coconut water also can be taken before sleep. Okay, and you can also have buttermilk with some black pepper added. Remember, if you have asthma, if you have frequent tendencies of cold, cough, or any respiratory health issues, then never take curd during night. Okay, never take curd after sunset. All right. Again, coming back to what are the snack options. अगर मान लीजिए आपको ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, if you are more hungry, okay, even if you had a proper dinner. Firstly, if you had a proper dinner, yes, don't get confused. Dinner should be light, dinner should be early, but it should be properly balanced as well. Okay, it's not like कि आपको सिर्फ डिनर में सूप पीना है. आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग कि आपको सिर्फ डिनर में सूप पीना है, बिकॉज अगर आप डिनर में सिर्फ सूप पियेंगे देन यू विल बी डेफिनेटली हंग्री, एंड देन यू विल एंड अप eating maybe junk food. Okay, so have a proper balanced dinner, and even after that if you are feeling hungry, then you can snack on a banana. Okay, एक बनाना ले सकते हैं आप. बनाना, it meets your sugar cravings also, and it is a rich source of potassium also. Plus banana is a good option under 200 calories, around 150 calories. Okay, so make sure that the snack that you are having after dinner, it is within 200 calories. All right, so आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं हम, and then I'll come back tomorrow with my next tip. And always remember, these tips are going to work only if you are following them. All right, okay, then stay healthy, stay happy.